What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download SUI wallet. So let's come over here to Play Store, click on it. Now once you click on it, it's going to open up like this. Now come down to the search icon right here. Okay, go ahead and click on it. Come up here to the search bar and type in SUI wallet. Okay, immediately you start typing it will come out already. So look at it right here. Okay, so click on it. Though I've searched for it before, so now this is it right here. This is a SUI wallet. We are now going to click on, so we're going to skip the process a bit. Let's go to after installation. So now it has been successfully downloaded. So this is it right here. You can go ahead and click on open, or you can come back and look at it right here. This is the home page, so we can go ahead and open it right here. So go ahead and click on it. Okay, so this is it opening up right now. So it's opening. So the next thing we're going to do is set it up. Now I do advise you to get a pen and a biro. You need to write down your secret phrase, very important. So come right here and click on create a new passphrase account. That's what you're going to click on. If you have an account already, come down and click on more option. From there you can now import your former wallet here. That is if you have one, but if you don't, just click on create. So this is the secret phrase right here. I'm not going to show it because it's very important. Anybody that has your secret phrase can access your account. So I'm just going to copy it. Click on copy right there. Then I'm going to save it somewhere. Save. Then also I do advise you to write it down in case, just to be 100% sure, because if you lose it, the account is totally gone. Okay, so come down and click on next. Okay, so right here it says require biometrics. So I'm just going to leave this active. Confirm transaction, leave that app active. I'm going to click on next. Okay, so it says welcome to SUI. Now about the secret phrase, in case anytime maybe your phone ever gets spoiled, you are going to need it to grant you access if you re-download the application. If you have it, you can always easily get access to your account. If it's on your PC or another phone, just type in that secret phrase and you are back in and you can continue using it. But if you don't have it, you will need to create a new account and you will lose any money that's in your old account if you don't have your secret phrase. So this is it guys. That is how you can download SUI wallet and set it up. So you can look at it right here. We have the home and assets, apps and activities. Okay, so that's it guys. So this is how you can successfully download SUI wallet. If you like this video, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Do check out this video over here. Bye.